one of the ways by which you can identify a credible or a reliable supplier is a supplier who is having um, good reviews or good engagement. So this brings us to today's tutorial. I'm going to walk you through in a step-by-step tutorial without any step skip how you can identify a good supplier or a credible supplier on the 1688 mobile app. So, well, I'm the person of Efojimado, the founder of Money Smile GH. If you've been wondering how you navigate your way around the 1688 mobile app in aid of getting a credible supplier, then I get this for you. So stay tuned and watch this till to the end. So without much ado, I take my smartphone just as you can see, and I log on to the 1688 mobile app. So just as you can see, so now I am on the 1688 mobile app looking at things. So when you get here, you see the product with the prices. So for example, you see the stand which has the projector, then by it the stand which the laptop is based on it with a price 63 RMB. So when you look at where the 63 RMB is, you see a number 5,600 plus. Now, that number that you see is the number of engagements, is the number, what I mean by engagement is the number of people that has patronized this supplier. Yes, that is what I mean. So which in layman's terms, it also means that this supplier is having much review. So what do I do from here if what I'm saying is true or it's not true? Let me just click on it and go enter or open into the supplier store. So here too, I click on it, then it opens. Now, having gotten to this very interface, as if you are going to place an order, but we are not going to place the order. So I just scroll down so you can see where we see evaluation or review, and you see two into bracket. So on the far right, you see 100%. Oh yes. So this means I won't say that much, but let me just click on it where we see the 100% so that I can go and read the reviews and so on and so forth. So guys, you can see things for yourself. So this supplier is having 5 star on this very product. So you can see it all for yourself. So this means that all the people that have engaged this supplier were satisfied with the transaction they've had with this supplier. So you can see everything off yourself. Let me go pick another product, then we see what we can do with this. So let me just scroll down and see what we have. So with this one too, I'm seeing this camera bag. You see, for these vloggers like us and other vloggers out there. So you see this camera bag with a price 178 RMB. So you can see the engagement being 4,600 plus. So let me just click on it and just go and see what we have to do or we have to see for ourselves as far as we're looking for a credible or a reliable supplier. So having gotten to this very part, so you can see where usually we check for the reviews or the evaluation, where you see into brackets 10 plus. Then on the far right, you see 100%. So that means when I click there, just as I have done, and it is about to open, it means that I'm going to check for the reviews, the people or the previous customers that have purchased goods from this supplier. What are they saying? Yes, were they satisfied with the patronage or not? So now when I come here to, you can see 5 star. So you can see that these people, the first person has bought items to be 2 and has given what 5 star. The next person also gave what 5 star and has even given a picture. So you can see the review is just on and on and on and on and on. It goes on and on. All is 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Now, what is the essence of this tutorial that I am sharing with you at this very moment? Now, the essence in here is, if for instance you are sourcing for a product like blender or the Silvercrest blender, either you do you source by picture or you just type and search. You know, other suppliers will come. Let me just demonstrate it so that we see practically what I'm trying to say. So I'm back to the 1688 homepage. So let me just type here. Let me just type here silver crest, silver crest blender. So I click on search. so that you understand what I'm trying to mean here. The reason why I'm showing you this engagement to enable you get a credible what supplier. So you've seen that what I've been presented with different suppliers. The first supplier on my right hand side is having um 60 RMB, and you see the engagement to be 8,700 plus engagement. Yes. Then on the other side also, where you see the 36.5, you see the engagement to be 2,600 plus. So if I'm comparing the two, which one should I go in for? In my point of view, I will opt for the one that has more engagement. Oh yeah. So sometimes too, you will see a supplier with good engagement. For example, the supplier with a 660 RMB with the engagement being 8,700 plus. The engagement, what I mean, the numbers of reviews, the numbers of customers or um, buyers that have engaged or patronized this supplier. So just look at all these things. Sometimes you see the engagement to be this 8,700, and another supplier will also be like 6,000 or 7,000 something. Now you look at the pricing. So that is where you have to use your own. You understand what I'm trying to say? Yes. So I just scroll down. So you can see another supplier with a price being 75 RMB with an engagement of what? 600 plus. Yeah. So now the choice is yours. Which one should you go in for? So now I'm just scrolling down to see if there will be another supplier that has more engagement than the 8,700 that I have seen earlier. So guys, you can just see I'm seeing one. Mhm. Oh yeah, you see everything is just clear. So guys, I believe you understand what I'm trying to show you in aid of getting a credible or a reliable supplier for in this importation business. Yes. So either you do pictures sourcing, or you just type just as I've demonstrated, or you are just scrolling on the 1688 mobile app, and you can just do this common thing, quote unquote, and to just get this credible supplier, and you're just good to go. Or you let me just click on the one which has the 8,700 plus engagement and see. It's like I know this supplier. Oh yeah. And you see this supplier is selling the 5,500 watts of blender being the 9525 motor. They've stated it there clearly. So you can see. Let me just go and click on the review. So I'm just clicking on it and we see things for ourselves. Yeah. Say I bought a container of goods with reliable quality. You can see everything for yourself. So this is so awesome. Well, someone will be asking me that. Let me just share the link of this very product. So guys, check in the description of this very tutorial, as I'll share the link of this very supplier in the description. Or no, it will be on my WhatsApp channel. So check in the description of this video, as I will leave the link of this very supplier on or in my WhatsApp channel, so that you are just good to go. So guys, I'm the person of Efojimado. If you found value in my tutorials, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay updated as I present you with another amazing tutorial or business nuggets on Money Smile GH. Like, comment, and share. Follow me on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for more. I'm the person of Efojimado. Catch you in my next tutorial.